Hey friends, I am coming in for an August favorites video. I don't remember if I've ever done a favorites video before, but there were so many things in the last couple of months really. I could really call it a summer favorites video, but the last couple of months that I just really loved, so I thought it'd be fun to bring them all together in one video and share them with you guys. First off, I was looking for a better tumbler type cup to carry around with me, like in the car, or if I'm out on the property doing work somewhere. I had been using like a quart mason jar with the straw lid, and I love those, but I wanted something that was not breakable and that I could carry in the car a little bit more easily. Those big mason jars don't really fit in the cup holder, so I was on the hunt for something, and I didn't want to just get anything, so I was hunting around for a while before I found something that I liked. And then of course, as soon as I found something that I liked, I found something else that I also liked, and so I ended up buying two different things, and I want to share both of them with you because I think they're both great. So I found these cups at Target, and they are the Ello brand, and I actually had bought some glass food storage containers that were Ello brand from Costco when they were on sale a few months ago now, and I really liked them, and so I was excited to see that they had this brand at Target, and they actually had a whole bunch of really cute cups. Stainless steel ones, glass ones, and they had plastic ones too, but I primarily try to drink out of stainless steel or glass if I can. So I settled on this one that is 20 ounces. Actually, no, it's 24 ounces, and it is stainless steel inside. There you go. And it comes with a straw that is plastic, and then a plastic lid with the little silicone band around it, and you can close it up if you don't want it to spill, if you take the straw out and then open it up for the straw. So it's not perfectly spill proof, like you would never throw this into your bag, but it's spill proof enough to easily take it in the car, and that's what I find this most convenient for. It fits in my cup holder, and it's easy to just bring along anywhere. They also have several cute colors. I like this teal blue one. I just love the different colors that they have, and I love that one so much that I picked up another of the same brand but a different style. This one is glass, and this one is 18 ounces, so it's a little less, but I actually got this one specifically for iced coffee. I thought it was the perfect size, and it was made out of glass, and I like that it's made out of glass, which is breakable, but it has the silicone around it, so it's not as likely to break if you were to drop it. But I like making my little iced coffees in there. I thought the lid was super cute with the wood on it. So I love these Ello or Ello cups. Totally recommend those. They're at Target, so that's probably the best place to get them. I think they're on Amazon too, and I will put links down in the description for them on Amazon if you're interested in checking them out. So then after I bought those and was super happy with them, I was shopping at Costco, and you guys were along with me on that trip. I did a Costco haul video, and I found these other reusable cups and ones that were even bigger because I wanted something that was going to replace my quart size mason jar. And the 24 ounces is good, but it's not quite as big as the quart mason jar. So I was excited to find the reuse cups at Costco, and they came in a 2-pack. So I got this one that's kind of a pinkish, reddish pink, and then a dark blue, and then they had another color combo, but they were out when I bought these. So I picked up the pink and the blue, and my husband's been using the blue one, and it's great for him to take to work, and then I've been using the pink one, and I love this. It's a 40 ounce, so it's even bigger than the quart size mason jar that I was using. The handle is super convenient because sometimes it's hard to hold like a big mason jar. It's just kind of awkward, but the handle is super convenient. It has a smaller bottom on here, so it does fit into some cup holders. So I found these on Amazon, and they were a lot more expensive than at Costco, and unfortunately last time I looked at Costco, they weren't selling these anymore. I'm hoping they will bring them back, but I will link them down in the description on Amazon, and so you can check them out there, and hopefully they'll go on sale or come back to Costco and you can get them at a decent price. All right, so this next one goes along with the theme of the cups that I just showed you because it's gonna be what I put in the cups and what I'm always carrying along with me to drink throughout the day. And if you've watched some of my recent videos, you probably know what it's gonna be. It is the Redmond Real Salt brand Relight Electrolyte Mix. All right, so I have been using this electrolyte mix in different flavors. I have now tried all the flavors and they're all really good. I'll tell you which ones are my favorite in just a minute. But I have been using them for a few months now, and I decided I wanted to try an electrolyte mix because I was having some issues that I thought were electrolyte related. Probably the main one was just getting up to go to the bathroom throughout the night, and that can be a sign of electrolyte imbalance or deficiency. And so I was like, what the heck, I'll try it. I love the Redmond's brand. I've been using their salt forever, and it was affordable. Some other electrolyte blends that have really good reviews, they were just so expensive. This isn't cheap, but it was more affordable than the other brands that I was looking at, and so I decided to go ahead and give it a try. And probably within a couple of days of drinking this electrolyte mix, my getting up to go to the bathroom has almost completely stopped. Now I will sleep through the night almost every night. Occasionally I'll get up once, but that's it. So that was so huge. I was really struggling with getting enough restful sleep just because I needed to go to the bathroom, and I definitely credit this with fixing that problem for me. So when I was thinking about making this video, I was like, I bet if I contact Redmond Real Salt, I could get a coupon code for you guys to share so that you could save some money if you wanted to order some of their products. And I went to contact them and ended up just going through their whole affiliate application process. You have to, go through and answer lots of questions, and they vet you and all that. So I ended up just going through that whole process, and just within a few days I was approved, and they gave me a coupon code to share. So if you want to get 15% off of your order at the Redmond website, you can use the code INDIGO. And since I am affiliated with them, I will get a little bit of a kickback, which helps me out a bunch, and you will get 15% off. So it is a win-win. I'm very, very choosy about who I would go into partnership with as far as sponsorships and affiliates. And if you guys have watched me for any length of time, you probably have noticed that I don't have a lot of sponsored videos. I don't push products that I'm affiliated with very often at all, and that is just because I'm incredibly choosy with who I work with. What I try to do is that if there is a product that I really love and have used for a while and know that I can put my endorsement behind it, that's when I contact the company and see about, getting a discount code or becoming an affiliate or anything like that. And that is a very, very small group of companies. So I'm excited to join with Redmond and be an affiliate for them. So check out their store, see what you think, use the code down below to save 15%. Next on my favorites list is something that you may have seen if you watched my last Trader Joe's haul video, but it is chili onion crunch. From Trader Joe's, and it is on the shelf like in the pantry section, and it is absolutely delicious. It's really good on steak. I've heard it's good on fish, which I totally believe. Chicken wings, I need to try it on chicken wings because it'd be really good. It's a little bit spicy, but I don't like really spicy things, so if I still say it's good, even though it's a little bit spicy, it's not that spicy. It's just really, really yummy, and it adds some really nice crunch. Like if you're just eating meat or something, it adds some really nice crunch to it. I love it. Next on my favorite list is a brand, because everything I've tried from this brand is super, super good. The name of the company is Pork King Good, and they sell pork rinds in so many different flavors, as well as pork rind crumbs, like if you're gonna be coating chicken or something in like a breadcrumb substitute. And then they also sell seasonings. So the flavors of their pork rinds are so, so good. And I have tried a lot of pork rind brands, and these are by far the best. It's like every single flavor I've tried has just been on point. So, so good. And it's funny, I actually didn't get their pork rinds first. The first thing that I ordered from them was their seasonings, because they had a salt and vinegar seasoning. Himalayan pink salt and vinegar seasoning, and it is so good. My kids are obsessed with this, so they make their own like air fryer French fries, and they sprinkle it on popcorn, and pretty much anything that they can put it on, they put it on. It's so good. It's like the perfect salt and vinegar flavor. So the first thing I ordered from them was, I think, 2 bottles of the salt and vinegar seasoning, and we loved it so much that I had to try their other flavors of pork rinds, and of course the salt and vinegar pork rinds. So our favorite, and the kids love these, salt and vinegar, so good. And then I haven't tried all of their flavors yet. I've tried a few, like the nacho cheese, salt and vinegar, and I forget what other flavors I've tried. But we're going on a beach trip next month. I always try to get some special food and some more fun, you know, sometimes a little bit less healthy food, but I'm always excited when I can find something like this that takes the place of less healthy food, but actually has really good ingredients. So I ordered a bunch of different flavors, and hopefully when we are on our trip, we will be able to do a taste test for you guys. But a few of the flavors that I ordered: pepperoni pizza, ranch, and I also ordered their ranch seasoning. So ranch, dill pickle, which is Talia's favorite, and then I got salted butter flavor. They also have, like I said, nacho cheese that we've tried that's really, really good, white cheddar, and then they have one that's super hot that I have not tried. And then you can also buy the pork rind crumbs in all these different flavors. So you can get pork rind crumbs flavored with ranch that you can, you know, coat fried chicken with. Oh my gosh, so good. We've also tried the dill pickle seasoning that you can buy, and the kids just finished that up the other day. That's Talia's favorite. She's my pickle queen. But that one I can totally vouch for. It is so good. So a week or two ago, I went to contact the company to see if they might be willing to offer a discount code for you guys, and I have not heard back, which I was disappointed about. So if I ever do hear back, I will definitely let you know about that. But I did want to mention that the cheapest place that I have found to buy the pork rinds and the seasonings is on netrition.com. It's cheaper than their own website. It's cheaper than Amazon. So I will put a link down in the description for that as well. I don't know if you've noticed a theme with all of my favorites, but they're all food and drink related. So I worked to find something that wasn't food and drink related to share with you guys. This last one is my current favorite laundry detergent, and it's this. I have been loving this, not necessarily for how it cleans my clothes. I'm not a big laundry snob, and I don't really compare different laundry soaps for how well they clean, but I love how compact this is. This does 66 loads, and it's a easy dose. So the cap, when you squeeze it, it only squeezes out the amount you need, which is a very small amount since it's so concentrated. And I just love not having a huge giant jug of laundry detergent to haul around. This is so easy, and it's still 66 loads. So there you go. That is my non-food and drink favorite for the summer. I just realized I didn't tell you guys my favorite flavors of the Relight Electrolyte mix. For a long time, my favorite flavor was just the basic original lemon lime. It's still one of my top, but then they came out with 2 new flavors recently, and as soon as they came out, I ordered them because they looked so good. And now my new favorite is the strawberry lemonade. So yummy. So it's got all the tanginess and citrus yumminess of the lemon lime, but then it's also got like a berry flavor, which is really, really good. So that's probably my top. I guess tied for second would probably be the mixed berry and the lemon lime, both really, really good. And then after that is the new mango flavor. This is nice when I just want something different. Like every day I want to drink the strawberry lemonade or the lemon lime, but when I'm just feeling like something a little bit different, I'll go for the mango, or I'll go for the pina colada. It took me a while to try the pina colada because I didn't think I would like it, but then I heard some people recommending it and I was like, I might as well just try it. And it is really good. And it kind of tastes like dessert, you know? So if you want something a little extra sweet or just different, that pina colada is really, really yummy. And then I have to say that watermelon lime is probably my least favorite, but I still drink it and it's not bad. Like, that's how much I like all of these flavors, is that I will drink all of them. They're all really good. It's just the watermelon flavor is really strong and it's just a little bit overpowering. So if you really, really love watermelon flavor, then you'll probably love it. What I found that I like better is mixing half of the watermelon lime with the lemon lime. So then it kind of cuts down on the watermelon flavor, but I still get a little bit of watermelon flavor. So that's why I have to put it on the bottom of the list. But like I said, it's not bad. Any of these flavors you can't go wrong with. Down in the comments, let me know any of your summer favorites, things that you've been loving. I will put links to any of these items I have links for down in the description below. And as always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.